The Masterclass program by Hoop Sisters Embroidery provides in-depth instructions on quilt-in-the-hoop process. If you're new to machine embroidery, or you haven't been using your embroidery machine and you need to update some of your skills, this is a perfect program for you. Hoop Sisters has been around for a number of years, and they have all sorts of things that you can learn and participate in and have some fun. This is a 2-day program and will cover the basics of embroidery in the hoop, flip and stitch process, applique in the hoop, and how to put it all together. At the end of the 2 days, you'll have 4 videos that you will be able to take home with you and to refer to at all times. And you'll also get a pattern for both a wall hanging or a table runner, and it comes in various sizes to cover all your bases. I hope to see you there. Join me at Masterclass.